Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about that, I had to make sure I hit the record button. I couldn't hear the GoPro go on while the car's going by. Yeah, we're in Goffle Brook over here. We're on Goffle Road. Yeah, it's a little dark over here. I'm sorry about that. I know we're behind the mountain over here, and our sun. Let me look at my son, our son, right there, all over the trees. Yeah, today's the 19th of May, and the time is 5 minutes to 5. Wow, already. 5 minutes to 5, how can that be? I got out at 3:30, 4:30, yeah, okay. I guess it's right then. We're just taking this little cruise. I know it's gonna rain in the next couple of days, so don't know if I'll be able to ride the bike. I know I wait too long to make videos. Sometimes my job doesn't allow me. Or my house, for that matter. Oh, my phone's not crooked. Yeah, I want to thank my subscribers and my viewers. I appreciate you guys. Oof, a little nippy. Oh, that's right. Let's look at the temperature. That's 68 degrees. A little windy though. Wind's coming from my northwest here. Oh, let me go for a truck. Yeah, so I've been riding around, you know, just cruising, looking for stuff on the floor here. And I found a couple of things I can mess around with welding. I don't like to weld on really good stuff because you never know when you're gonna need it. Ooh, these branches right here. Ooh, watch those branches. I'm just throttling. We're in Hawthorne, New Jersey, and the wind is awful. Let's see, you want to go up this road here? Let's make this left over here. Some cars coming, so we'll go up on the sidewalk first. Ooh, that's a little better. I should have stayed on that side though, where the sun is. What's the name of this road? Up it. Let's go up it. Oh, look, there's a bike lane here. Cool. Oh yeah, we've been here before. That's bike route. A little steep here. Uphill though. I'm throttling and pedaling. Oh, I got bushes now. Ooh, these bushes. I don't know why I came this way. I should have went down the other road. That's why we're gonna go up here and make this right. Right over here. Ah, nice ride. It was nice and cool. Calipers are working really good. I keep saying calipers. It's only one I put on. The front brakes are rim brakes. Ah, beautiful flag right there. Yeah. Hope my camera is good. Wasn't windy before, but it got so windy out. One thing about the caliper brakes, they squeak more. But you're more free to ride. Like it doesn't hold you back. Let's make this right over here. We'll make this right and we'll go down and come back that way. And then we'll head home to the, well, back to the park area. Yeah, I got some basketball courts over here. Nice. Beautiful day to ride. There's our son over there. It's supposed to get a little cooler tomorrow and Wednesday. It's supposed to be in the 50s. That's a little cool for this time of the month. Hope my tomato plants are going to do good. I planted 32 plants. 32 tomato plants. Yeah. Oh, look at this landscape here. Nice. Let's go down and then we'll make this left down here. Just riding around, nothing really to talk about other than, you know, my battery's good. My brake caliper's good. The kickstand's good. Everything's good. Perfect. Yeah, I can't complain about anything. Got my orange on today. Just riding around having some fun with life. There's our park down there. There's a pond. I don't know if you can make it out. We're gonna go up this street here and then we'll come down that way. We'll go by the pond. I want to see how long I've been recording for. Hear it? That's my, ooh, boy. It skids though, that's the bad thing about it. Back big skids. Yeah, I thought I hit the button. There you go. I won't get in anybody's way. Oh, 7 minutes. We're gonna head that way. I just want to put my glove on. Oh. Can't do it with the glove on. I don't know why. Oh, let's go this way here. I want to go into the park. Oh, can't go now. Gotta wait for this car to go by. I'm very sorry about this, guys. Try to do it the safe way here. See down there? And there's no cars coming that way, so we'll just wait for these cars to go by. Once this car goes by, I'll go. Right here. Okay, so we'll go. We'll cut through here. Oh, I should have went on the grass. There's our waterfalls over here. Nice. And there's a turtle on a rock over there. They don't stock this with fish though, but there is some kind of fish in there. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, somebody's graduating here. Ain't that nice? Sorry. Very pretty girl. Graduating. Oh, what a beautiful day it is today. Should we go down this way? Let's go down this way. Yeah, so everything's working pretty good. I showed you my calipers on my last video. I want to thank my subscribers. Excellent. Enjoying life. Just having fun. See those flowers over there? Ooh, it's such an aroma you get from them. What is it? I forgot what they call it. Lavender? Lavender? Yeah, they're deer repellents. They don't like that smell. And the deer has such keen smell that I don't know if it affects them. What was that noise? I don't know if it affects them or just they can't sense anything. I want to go that way, or we should make a right, make a left. I mean, we'll make a left. I don't know where to go. I'm just riding around. We'll go down this street, yeah. Just cruising, guys. Enjoying my beautiful sky. Enjoying the day. Work so hard. Come out and just get the stress off of me. Right back by the park over here. We went down that way. So we'll go down the other way then. Could have cut through there, but through the park. And we'll just ride like this. Look at these flags here. Wow. Back to back. Love it. Yeah. Let's see how long now we've been recording for. That was nice of her. What a beautiful day. Riding this e-bike on my 60-volt battery, 20 amp hours. Yeah, I don't like to charge it up all the way. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.